Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi the Math Tutor. Today we are going to learn about operations of integers. We have done addition and subtraction of integers in class 6th. First we will review our understanding of the same and then learn about multiplication and division of integers. We will go with the addition of integers. So if we are adding both positive numbers, the answer is, what is an answer? If the answer is positive 11. So when both integers are positive, we add and we need to keep the positive sign. For example, if I'm adding both negative integers, here I'm adding both negative integers. If I'm adding both negative integers, we need to add the numbers. So 5 plus 6, 11, but we need to keep the negative sign for their answer. If we are adding the both positive numbers, we will get the positive answer. If we are adding both negative numbers, we will get the negative answer. If we are adding one positive number and one negative number, always we need to do the subtraction of integers. 8 minus 3, and we need to 8 minus 3, you will get 5. And what about the sign? We need to keep the sign of the big number sign. So for example, here look at here 8 and 3. In these numbers, the 8 is big number, so 8 sign is positive, so you will get the positive sign. For example, if I'm taking minus 10 plus minus 6, so positive 6. I'm taking one negative and one positive, so we need to do the subtraction. 10 minus 6, you will get a 4. So in these two numbers, 10 is a big number, so big number sign is negative, so you will get minus. So when you are adding or adding one positive and negative number, always you do the subtraction and keep the big number sign, either positive or negative. So this is about the integers. Now we will go with the addition of integers on the number line. Now here we are solving addition of these integers on the number line. So here we are adding positive 2 and positive 4. So to add this one, we need, first of all, we need to draw the one number line with some numbers. And the first number is 2, the next integer is 4, so we are adding the 4 to the positive 2. So look at here, first of all I'm taking the one scale here. So this is this showing number line, this integer. So first of all we need to locate the positive 2 on this scale, so we are moving to the positive 2. So here we have positive 2. So again for this 2 we are adding the plus 4, so we need to move to the 4 steps towards to the right side. So 1 2 3 4, so the answer is 6. So that answer is positive 6. So what is the meaning? If we are adding the first of all we need to locate the 0 2 here, and after that we are moving the 4 steps from the 2, then you will get the answer is 6. So here adding the plus 4 steps, here we are adding the 2 steps. In the second example, we are adding the negative integer to the positive integer. So first of all we need to locate the 0 or 4 number on the scale. So here I'm locating 0 to first locating the 4 on the number line. After locating this 4, we are subtracting the minus 1, so we need to move to the left side. So move the one step to the left side, then your answer is plus 3. So this is answer is positive 3. So first of all look at the 0 to 4, it is positive 4. From this one you need to move the if you are subtracting the negative integer, you should move to the left side, then that is you should do one step to the left side, the answer is positive 3. So what is the meaning here? If you want to add the positive integer, you should move to the right side on the number line. If you are adding the negative integer, you should move the left side of the number line. Now we will go with the subtraction of integers. So we will review subtraction of integers of the grade 6 class ones. So if I'm subtracting the both positive integers, so we need when you are doing the subtraction of integers, we need to write the additive inverse of the right side number. So plus 5 will become negative 5. Then this left side we have plus 4. Again you will get one positive, one negative number. If we have one positive, one negative, we need to do the subtraction. So 5 minus 4, you will get answer is 1. So in these two numbers, 5 is a big number, so we need to give the negative sign. So plus 4 plus 5, you will get the answer is minus 1. So for the subtraction of integers, we need to write the additive inverse of the second integer. Like that is, if you have either a positive number, you should write a negative number, you should write the positive number. If you have a positive integer, you should write the negative integer for this. The next one is, I'm subtracting the both negative integers, like minus 4, I'm subtracting minus 3. Already I told you for the subtraction of integers, we need to write the additive inverse for the second integer. So negative 3, it will become positive 3, and left side we have minus 1. Again here you will get one positive, one negative. If you have one positive, one negative, due to the subtraction, 4 minus 3, you will get 1. Then from these two numbers, 4 is a big number, so 4 sign is negative. So this is an answer. So minus 1 is our answer. If we are subtracting one positive number and one negative number, already told you, we need to write the additive inverse for this integer, so that minus 6 will become positive 6, and left side we have minus 8 plus 8. So if I'm adding both positive number, answer is positive. That is, answer is plus 14. Now we will go with the subtraction of integers on number line. Here we can see subtracting plus 4 and minus 3, sorry, plus 3. So I'm here now subtracting positive integer from the given integer. So first of all, we need to locate the positive 4 on the number line. See, I'm here locating, first of all, I'm locating first positive 4 on the number line. So this is 0. So I'm locating the first positive 4 on the number line. After that, we are subtracting the positive integer. So you should move the left side of the number line. So I'm moving the left side 3 steps to the left side. 1, 2, 3. So answer is plus 1. So the next example, I'm subtracting the negative integer. So to subtract the, first of all, we need to locate the positive 2 on the number line, that is minus 2. So from here we are subtracting the negative integers. You should move in the right side on the number line. So we need to move the 4 steps to the right side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The answer is positive 2. Thus, each time you subtract a positive integer, you should move the left side on the number line. But if you are subtracting a negative integer, you should move the right side on the number line. So this is completely opposite to the addition of integers on the number line. Now here we can see complete rules of this addition and subtraction of integers. So if you are adding the positive integer, you should move the right side on the number line. If you are adding the negative integer, you should move the left side on the number line. If you are doing subtraction of positive integer, you should move the left side on the number line. If you are subtracting the negative integer, you should move the right side on the number line. Here now I given some textual question. Try to solve these questions. Thank you for watching my video. Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. Now we will go with the exercise 2 problems. Represent the following additions on a number line. The first question is 5 plus 7. Already yesterday in the last video we discussed about the rules for adding these integers on the number line. So here we are adding the positive number to the integer. So we need to move to right side of the number line. So first of all, we need to indicate the 5 number. So you should show the direction 0 to 5. From we are adding 7 number to the 5. So we are moving the 7 steps to the right side of this 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 steps. 6, 7. So 5 from the 7 steps we are going, that is answer is 12. So here we are going 7 steps to the right side. So the final answer is 12. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So it's coming to the third question. Here we are going with 5 plus minus 2. So here we are subtracting the subtracting the integer. So we need to move the left side of the number line. So first of all, look at the 5 number on the number line. So that is 0 to 5. From this 5 we need to move the 2 steps to the left side. So 1, 2. So we are moving the 2 steps to the left side, that is 2. So the answer is 3. So if you want to add the positive integer, you should move the right side on the number line for additions. If you are subtracting the adding the negative integer, you should move the left on the number line. And second question, 5 plus 2, you should try. The next fourth question, 5 plus negative 7, you should try these two. Next second bit, compute the following. So first question, 7 plus 4, just we are adding the both positive numbers. So 7 plus 4 is 11 is answer. In the second question, we are adding one positive, one negative number. So if you are having one positive, one negative, you should always do the subtraction and give the big number sign, that is here plus, you should get the plus 5. So the next fourth one, 14, one positive, one negative number here we have. So you should do the subtraction. So 14 minus 6 is answer is 8. So 14 the big number sign is positive, so you will get a positive answer. The next one is, here I am taking one positive, one negative, so you should always subtract. So 4 minus 4 is 0, but don't keep the sign for this 0. So remaining you should try yourself and write your answers in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video.